I'd like to welcome Your Excellencies for joining us today. So I would like to tell you that I'm very proud that we have provided 1,300 scholarships for doctors and healthcare providers from 42 countries in 32 different medical specialties, which are underserved and critical, like diabetes, cardiovascular, endocrinology, respiratory care and acute care, reproductive and sexual care, fertility, embryology, oncology. And together we made history because we trained the first specialists in many countries in these specialties. So we're going to be the first. It's a history in the making. And we continue and we will continue because all of us realize the importance of building healthcare capacity and the importance of having a well-trained and specialized healthcare sector, especially during coronavirus. And of course, it's not continue even and beyond because we don't know what's happening after coronavirus. But we realize that they are the heroes and they are the one who protect us and they are the first defense line. And therefore, our strategy, which started in 2012 to focus very much on building this healthcare capacity, was proven that it is the right strategy, and we've done this together, and we will never be able to achieve this huge milestone without your support and without your active partnership that always was guiding us and helping us, supporting us, endorsing us, and make sure that this support goes to the right channels and the right people that will be committed to help back the country and the people and the nations in the public healthcare sector. But not only this, but we also together, we had done a lot of initiatives that addressed wide range of social and health issues through different interventions, through your ambassadorship as Merck Foundation More Than a Mother, through your advocacy in your different platforms, but also through the storybooks. For example, we created together, and it's still in the pipeline, like for example, Rescue Jacqueline, which is about girls' education. We are going to send this to you as well. A storybook called Not Who You Are. It's about gender-based violence and how to stop gender-based violence in domestic violence. And also Ride into the Future. It's also about supporting girls' education and ending child marriage. And Jude Sugar Free is about raising awareness about diabetes, and all this in different language, French, English, and in Portuguese. Of course, this is in addition to the previous one, Educating Linda and David's story and Make the Right Choice, and David's story, which also about breaking the stigma of infertility. So this is about storybooks. I also made a lot together, like the awards and the media training, which we provided to more than 2,000 media representatives across 20 countries to educate them how to sensitize the communities, and then can apply for the media recognition awards. And yet we have a lot of winners from your countries that they became the champions in their work, in their communities, in their setup, to raise awareness about these topics: girls' education, breaking stigma on fertility, and ending child marriage, stopping gender-based violence, and so on.
So let me take this opportunity to acknowledge the great efforts of all First Ladies to support the healthcare sectors in many ways, which in turn affects the ability of health workers, our everyday heroes, to fulfill their duties, especially during the COVID virus pandemic, which is not over yet, I have to say. Moreover, I appreciate your great efforts as ambassadors of the Merck Foundation's program Merck More Than a Mother and Educating Linda to support, raise awareness, and build advocacy to strengthen girls' education, empowerment of women in general, and to empower childless women in particular through access to information, education, health, and achieve the change of mindset in the general population. So well done. You all reported on that. We all know it's an uphill struggle. It's not an easy task, but actually we are making progress. And that's something I'm very happy, very pleased to see. Therefore, we appreciate your valuable support and efforts to partner with the Merck Foundation in transforming patients' care and improve access to equitable and quality healthcare solutions and raise awareness about the wide range of social and health issues in your countries.
I wish you a very good morning if it's morning out there, or a very good afternoon. I'd like to preface my remarks by acknowledging the invaluable partnership that we have with Merck Foundation. I'm proud to be a part of this prestigious platform as Merck Foundation More Than a Mother Ambassador. In partnership with Merck, we have provided more than 30 scholarships to our Botswana doctors in different critical specialties, such as diabetes, endocrinology, dermatology, gastroenterology, oncology, respiratory medicines, acute medicines, and sexual and reproductive medicines. As part of Merck Foundation's Empowering Banner initiative to stop GBV, I'm happy to share that Merck Foundation has donated 20 industrial sewing machines for donation to beneficiaries across Botswana. Beneficiaries will be able to utilize the machines to generate income, to improve their livelihoods, including those of their families and members of their community at large, with the aim to become independent, productive members in society for the empowerment of women and girls against gender-based violence.
Je dois signaler que ceci est une très bonne opportunité d'entrer en partenariat avec d'autres organisations de renommée comme la Fondation MEC, mais aussi de travailler ensemble avec mes chères sœurs premières dames pour le développement de nos pays respectifs. Je me réjouis donc de notre plateforme prestigieuse. Aujourd'hui, comme vous le faisiez chaque année, j'aimerais réitérer mon engagement de partenariat à long terme avec la Fondation MEC à travers la Fondation Bonne Action Mugiraneza que je dirige au Burundi, une fondation qui œuvre pour un développement intégral pour du peuple burundais en général.
Je suis heureuse de travailler avec vous, mes pères, Excellences Premières Dames, via notre plateforme Initiative des Premières Dames de la Fondation Merck, pour améliorer la qualité des soins, briser la stigmatisation de l'infertilité et soutenir l'éducation des filles à travers l'Afrique. J'espère vous rencontrer au mois de novembre 2022 à la cérémonie annuelle de Africa Asia Luminary de la Fondation Merck pour la première fois physiquement après la pandémie de coronavirus. Je souhaite plein succès à cette vidéoconférence et au partenariat entre Merck Foundation et les Premières Dames d'Afrique en général, et entre Merck Foundation et la Fondation Cri de cœur d'une mère en particulier. Je vous remercie.
Grâce à ce partenariat à long terme, nous avons procédé au renforcement des capacités de nos médecins dans les domaines de l'oncologie, la fertilité, de l'embryologie et du diabète par le programme d'octroi de bourses. Jusqu'à présent, environ 30 bourses ont été accordées à nos médecins. Je suis fière de partager avec vous que la Fondation Merck a fourni 4 bourses à nos premiers spécialistes de la fertilité et embryologue, et 25 autres dans le cadre du programme national de points bleus du diabète. Pas seulement les médecins, mais également les infirmières et les techniciens, dans le but de renforcer notre système de santé et de transformer l'offre des soins. En outre, nous avons ensemble commencé à travailler en étroite collaboration pour introduire des idées novatrices qui engageront différents secteurs tels que les médias.
I would like to take this opportunity to greatly acknowledge our precious platform and this value partnership that we have with Merck Foundation as ambassadors More Than a Mother since 2017. I wish to state that I am proud to be part of this long-term partnership and this continuous commitment by Merck Foundation to advance the healthcare capacity and reshape the public healthcare sector in my country. This was done by providing specialty training for local doctors, as well as training the mentorship program for media partners to improve their critical role in effective community awareness. This capacity building program started in 2017, and in a very short time, we have made a significant impact. This year, I am pleased to inform that together with Merck Foundation, my office in collaboration with the Ministry of Health provided more than 30 scholarships to young Gambian doctors. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, with regards to education, together with Merck, we have launched 3 children's storybooks with significant messages. Musa's stories emphasizes on the strong family values of love and respect for a young age, which will reflect on eliminating the stigma on fertility that possibly results in domestic violence in the future. The book Educating Mariama emphasizes on the importance of empowering girls through education, which resulted in a new initiative to render support to 20 unprivileged but brilliant schoolgirls as a means to ensure that they stay in school and complete their education journey.
As we commemorate another anniversary, I truly appreciate our partnership with Merck Foundation and acknowledge their smart and serious strategies to provide specialty training for our local doctors so they can provide the quality healthcare required by our people here in the near future. I am pleased to be a part of Merck Foundation's prestigious platform again this year, particularly as the ambassador of Merck More Than a Mother in Liberia, which has me totally immersed in our mandate as espoused by Merck Foundation to empower infertile women through access to information, education, health, and the imminent change of mindset. Moreover, to empower our girls in education through Merck Foundation's unique program, which Liberia girls are beneficiaries. We are glad to report that in Liberia, Merck Foundation program have strongly pushed to help support the continuous building and improving our healthcare capacity by providing effective training to our healthcare providers at all levels through the offering of scholarships in various specialty areas such as diabetes, cardiovascular prevention, sexual and reproductive care, respiratory care and acute and intensive care, oncology and fertility specialists, and embryology training. Such intervention by the Merck Foundation here in Liberia is being historically recorded in the annals of Liberia, something we do not take lightly.
From the time I assumed office in 2020, I've worked closely with Merck Foundation CEO to define the right strategy to build healthcare capacity, empower infertile women, and support girls' education to Malawi as Merck Foundation More Than a Mother ambassador in this country. We started our important long-term partnership with Merck Foundation to implement these variable programs nationwide in order to contribute to the social and economic development of Malawi. I'm therefore extremely delighted to share with you all that we have provided. We have provided more than 21 scholarships to our Malawian doctors in many critical medical specialties, such as diabetes, like other first ladies have already talked about. So in the area of diabetes, oncology, internal medicine, fertility and acute and intensive care, and respiratory care, Many of them have completed their courses and some are currently undergoing their studies, other studies.
Madame la directrice exécutive, je vous remercie pour ma nomination en tant qu'ambassadrice de la Fondation Merck plus qu'une mère pour faire la promotion de la santé reproductive des filles ainsi que l'autonomisation des jeunes filles et femmes grâce à l'accès et l'information, à l'éducation et au changement de mentalité. À ma prise de fonction de première dame, nous avons échangé longuement sur le programme de la Fondation Merck au Niger relativement au renforcement des capacités en santé des médecins, à l'autonomisation des filles, à leur éducation, afin de briser la stigmatisation et les stéréotypes sur certaines catégories de femmes dans le domaine de la santé et de la reproduction dans mon pays.
I value our partnership with the Merck Foundation, who have led the way in building healthcare capacity and providing specialty training to our local doctors to enable them provide quality healthcare in Nigeria. Also, I'm proud to be an ambassador of the Merck Foundation More Than a Mother campaign. I recently met Dr. Rasha Khalej in Dubai at the Foundation office to discuss progress of our ongoing programs and new initiatives. I'm proud to share with you all that in a very short time, we have been able to provide 32 scholarships for young Nigerian doctors in several critical and underserved specialties, including fertility and embryology, diabetes, preventive cardiovascular medicine, endocrinology, sexual and reproductive medicine, respiratory medicine, and clinical microbiology and infectious diseases. Altogether, with Merck Foundation, I have launched the More Than a Mother Awards to encourage the media, fashion, filmmaking, and music fraternity to raise awareness on the important topic of breaking the stigma around fertility, underscoring the importance of girls' education and women empowerment at all levels, stopping gender-based violence and ending child marriage. We have also launched promoting healthy lifestyle awards for these groups, which is a very important topic that needs to be addressed.
Of course, our relationship with Merck Foundation has started since 2019, and it's a relationship that we have built on a platform of trust and support, and our agenda being the same. As you all know, my focus has been on gender equality, the fight for our girls to be safe, as Africa is prone for rape in early marriage, and that has been my subject. But my contact with Russia has also transformed the way I think about other issues that we need to talk about in Africa.
I am pleased to inform you that we have provided 85 scholarships to our young Zimbabwean doctors in many critical and underserved specialties. I'm particularly excited as the ambassador of Merck Foundation More Than a Mother campaign that 5 doctors have completed the fertility and embryology training program in India. Moreover, 18 scholarships have been provided to young doctors from different provinces in Zimbabwe for 1-year diploma and 2-year master's degree in sexual and reproductive medicine from South Wales in the UK and Valencia University in Spain. This will add significant value to women's health and will transform the landscape of fertility and reproductive health nationwide. Moreover, we have also launched 8 important different competitions to our community which are Best Media, Song, Film, and Fashion Awards for More Than a Mother and Promoting Healthy Lifestyle. These awards aim to encourage young musicians, fashion designers, filmmakers, students, and new potential talent in these fields to play their important role in sensitizing their communities about sensitive social and health issues.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, for the valuable time and also the feedback and the impact, the huge impact that we will never achieve alone, only with your support. And we're looking forward to communicate and more until we meet in November, and to make even bigger impact that we can report in November. We are very, very keen that we are going to continue many activities from now until November, so we can have something big to share with everyone. Thank you very much, Your Excellency, the First Ladies of Africa and Ambassador of Merck Foundation More Than a Mother. And from here, I report our commitment, long-term commitment and partnership to achieve all the objectives of your programs and our programs, to transform patient care in the public sector in each country, to support their education, to empower women, and specifically infertile women, break the stigma of infertility and child marriage, and address all the social and health issues in the communities and in public healthcare sector. Thank you very much. Looking forward to see you soon in November. I'm very excited that we're going to be the first time to see each other face to face after 3 years. And we are preparing a very, very nice program. Thank you very, very much. Bye. Looking forward to see you. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Thank you.